In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Instagram Reels in just 24 hours using Canva. It's quick, it's easy, and you'll be amazed by how professional your final product looks. Whether you're promoting your business, sharing a personal moment, or just having fun, Canva is a fantastic tool to bring your creativity to life. So grab your device and let's get started. First off, open Canva either on your computer or mobile device. Canva is an incredibly user-friendly platform that's great for both beginners and more experienced users. Once you're in, type Instagram Reels into the search bar. This will bring up a selection of templates specifically designed for Instagram Reels. These templates provide a great starting point, allowing you to focus on customizing your reel without worrying about dimensions or layout. Next, browse through the templates and choose one that matches the style or theme you're aiming for. Canva offers a wide variety of options from fun and vibrant to sleek and minimalist, so you're sure to find something that aligns with your vision. Click on the template you like to move to the next step. Now, it's time to customize your chosen template to fit your unique needs. Click on Customize this template, which opens up the editing interface. This is where the magic happens. Canva's drag and drop interface makes it easy to adjust elements, change colors, and add images. You can edit the text by clicking on the words and typing directly into the boxes. Be sure to include any key messages or calls to action that you want your audience to see. If you find your initial video is too long or too short, don't worry. You can easily adjust the duration to perfectly fit the content you want to share. Simply select the duration option and make your adjustments. Remember that most Instagram Reels perform best when they're short and engaging, capturing viewers' attention rapidly. On the right side, you'll find 3 dots that provide more options when clicked. Select this menu and then click on Split Page. This feature allows you to break your video into multiple clips. If at any point you decide that you don't need all the parts after splitting, deleting the unnecessary sections is straightforward. Simply select the parts you want to remove and delete them. With your new reel ready to go, you can now preview it to ensure everything appears just right. Once you're satisfied, it's time to save and download your reel. Follow Canva's export instructions, choosing your preferred quality settings tailored to Instagram Reels. And that's it, you've just created a dynamic Instagram Reel using Canva. Go ahead and share it with your followers to showcase your latest creation. Don't forget to monitor the engagement and see how your audience responds. This step-by-step process makes it easy to produce eye-catching content quickly, so you can stay on top of trends and engage your followers with fresh, exciting content. Until next time, keep creating and have fun with Canva.